Cognitive resilience is a term that, over time, has woven its way into the intricate tapestry of psychological discourse. It represents not only an area of growing interest among researchers and practitioners, but also a beacon of hope for those striving to navigate life's unpredictable seas. At its core, cognitive resilience refers to the ability of an individual to effectively adapt to stress, adversity, or change. It is akin to a tree that bends in a fierce storm, its branches yielding to the force, yet never breaking. This resilience allows the tree to weather the storm and stand tall once it passes. The study of cognitive resilience finds its roots in the broader concept of psychological resilience, which emerged as a topic of scientific interest in the mid-20th century. The initial focus was on understanding why some individuals, particularly children, thrived despite adversity. Norman Ghamezi, a pioneer in this field, laid the groundwork in the 1970s by studying children who succeeded despite high risk and adversity. The field gained momentum with Emmy Werner's longitudinal study of children in Kauai, which began in the 1950s and spanned over 4 decades. Her work highlighted resilience factors that help some children overcome challenging environments. The concept of cognitive resilience specifically started gaining distinct attention in the early 21st century, as researchers began exploring how cognitive processes such as attention, memory, and problem-solving contribute to an individual's overall resilience. The importance of cognitive resilience cannot be overstated. In a world that is ever-changing and often stressful, the ability to adapt cognitively is paramount. It is not merely about survival, but about thriving. Cognitive resilience empowers individuals to confront challenges, learn from them, and emerge not only unscathed, but strengthened. This ability is invaluable in various domains, from handling personal crises to adapting to rapid changes in the workplace. It is the mental armor that guards against the arrows of adversity, enabling individuals to maintain mental well-being and function optimally, even in the face of stress or disruption. The tapestry of cognitive resilience is woven with diverse threads, each representing different approaches and ideas from the realms of science and culture. In the scientific domain, cognitive resilience is often studied under the umbrella of positive psychology. This branch of psychology, spearheaded by Martin Seligman in the late 1990s, focuses on strengths and virtues that enable individuals and communities to thrive. Within this framework, cognitive resilience is seen as a positive attribute, one that can be nurtured and developed. Neuroscientific research also plays a crucial role, exploring how brain plasticity and neural networks are involved in resilience. Cultural perspectives on cognitive resilience vary widely, with some societies emphasizing collective resilience and others focusing on individual strength. For example, in many Eastern cultures, the concept of resilience is often intertwined with philosophical and spiritual beliefs, such as the Buddhist concept of impermanence and adaptability. Building cognitive resilience is akin to training muscles. It requires consistent effort and the right techniques. Tips and tricks for enhancing cognitive resilience often involve practices that strengthen the mind. Mindfulness meditation, for instance, has been shown to enhance attention and reduce stress, contributing to greater resilience. Cognitive behavioral strategies, which involve recognizing and altering negative thought patterns, can also bolster resilience. Maintaining a strong social support network is crucial, as relationships can provide emotional resources during challenging times. Physical exercise, though often overlooked, plays a significant role too, as it can improve mood and cognitive function. Engaging in lifelong learning and embracing new experiences also contribute to cognitive resilience, as they keep the mind active and adaptable. Despite its many benefits, cultivating cognitive resilience is not without challenges. One significant challenge is the presence of chronic stress or trauma, which can overwhelm an individual's coping mechanisms. In such cases, resilience may be compromised, leading to mental health issues like anxiety or depression. Another challenge lies in the misconception that resilience is an innate trait, leading some to believe they are simply not resilient. This misconception can hinder individuals from engaging in practices that could enhance their resilience. Additionally, in high-pressure environments, such as certain workplace settings, the expectation to constantly display resilience can lead to burnout, an outcome that is antithetical to the very concept of resilience. Understanding cognitive resilience requires a multifaceted approach, recognizing that it is a dynamic and complex phenomenon. It is not merely a static trait, but a skill that can be developed and nurtured over time. However, it's also important to acknowledge that resilience has its limits and that it's equally crucial to address the sources of extreme stress or adversity. The mind-bending side of cognitive resilience reveals itself through astonishing stories and remarkable feats that push the boundaries of human adaptability and strength. One such story is that of Viktor Frankl, an Austrian psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor. Frankl's experience in Nazi concentration camps, as recounted in his book Man's Search for Meaning, is a profound testament to cognitive resilience. Despite enduring unimaginable suffering, Frankl found a way to maintain his psychological strength by finding meaning in his suffering and envisioning a future beyond the camp's barbed wires. His theory of logotherapy, which emphasizes finding meaning in life, arose from these harrowing experiences and has influenced resilience training programs worldwide. In another inspiring instance, the Chilean miner's survival in 2010, trapped underground for 69 days, highlighted remarkable cognitive resilience. Despite the dire circumstances, the miners maintained a structured routine, supported each other, and held on to hope, demonstrating the extraordinary capacity of the human mind to adapt and survive in the face of adversity. These stories, among countless others, illuminate the profound depths of cognitive resilience, showcasing how individuals can navigate through the darkest of times with an unyielding spirit. As we look toward the future, trends and predictions associated with cognitive resilience point to its increasing relevance and application. The ongoing advancement in neuroscience is likely to unravel more about the brain mechanisms underlying resilience, potentially leading to targeted interventions for enhancing cognitive resilience. There's also a growing emphasis on resilience training in various sectors, including education, healthcare, and the corporate world, acknowledging its vital role in mental health and well-being. In the digital age, the use of technology, such as virtual reality and mobile applications for resilience training, is also on the rise. Furthermore, the growing awareness of global challenges, such as climate change and pandemics, underscores the need for societal resilience, where cognitive resilience plays a crucial part. In conclusion, cognitive resilience is a multifaceted and dynamic attribute that serves as a cornerstone for mental fortitude and well-being. Its study and application traverse diverse fields, from psychology and neuroscience to culture and spirituality. While challenges exist in cultivating and understanding cognitive resilience, its significance in enabling individuals to not only endure but thrive in the face of adversity is unquestionable. As we continue to navigate an ever-changing world, the exploration and nurturing of cognitive resilience remain more pertinent than ever, offering a beacon of hope and strength in the complex journey of human experience.